For Mississippi Edition, this is Workplace 101. I'm Sherry Davis Garner, Executive and Leadership Coach from Styling Your Life. Do you know how to advance your career? If you believe it's luck, that's okay. However, at the end of the day, you should advance your career in a methodical way. Here are some smart solution strategies which will position you as mature and professional. First smart solution. Schedule some time with your manager and have a direct and targeted conversation about your career path. The major point you want to stress is that your job performance needs to be in alignment with the company's goals. Ask how you can better align your performance to meet those goals. Your manager will also see you as confident and will appreciate the fact that you asked. Second smart solution. Place yourself in a position to volunteer for projects which require extra responsibility. Stepping in to assist your team members or serve on committees increases your value to a company. It shows you're interested, engaged, and have great energy in the success of the company's goals. It also places a spotlight on you as a leader. Third smart solution. Increase your exposure outside of your company. It is critical to expose and introduce yourself to other organizations and people beyond your present employer. Volunteer to serve on boards or advisory groups where you can showcase your talent. The strategy also allows you to build your reputation as someone who is dedicated, passionate, and skilled. If you have wanted to work for a particular company, through the internet, research where their executives serve on boards and what volunteer activities are associated with those board members. The Strategic Alliance will provide you with unbelievable exposure and possibly a conversation path to your next job. Fourth smart solution. Never meet a stranger. Interpersonal skills, known as soft skills, play a pivotal role in career advancement. If doors are not opening inside your company, you may be able to open doors with a person you don't really even know. People gravitate to friendly, personable, and loving people. Never underestimate how the act of kindness can go a long way in moving your career. In review, have a direct conversation with your manager about your career path. Ask your manager how you can better align your performance to meet company goals. Secondly, look for external opportunities to volunteer with other organizations to showcase your talent. Volunteer to serve on boards or advisory groups to expose yourself to persons who are in a position to hire. Lastly, use your winning personality to advance your career. Remember, people are drawn to friendly and personable people. This is Sherry Davis Garner, Executive and Leadership Coach from Styling Your Life. Find more information on my website at stylingyourlife.com.